Infinix surprised its customers by releasing the Smart 8 series earlier than expected. The Infinix Smart series is known for offering the cheapest phones from Infinix. Typically, a new series is released once a year, but this year we've seen two new Smart series, the Smart 7 series and the Smart 8 series. The Infinix Smart 8 is the only phone currently available in the series, but there may be Smart 8 Plus added later. This is the base Smart 8. It comes with 3 storage variants, and all storage variants are currently here in my studio. The lowest variant has 64GB of internal storage and 6GB of extended RAM, priced at 80,000 naira. The second variant also offers 64GB of internal storage, but with 8GB of extended RAM. If you are looking to buy this variant, it is priced at around 85,000 naira. Then the highest variant comes with 128GB of storage and 8GB of extended RAM, priced around 100,000 naira. All three variants have the same features except for their storage. They have the same processor, design, battery capacity, camera, and display. So the only thing you will consider if you choose to buy any of them is their storage space. Infinix advertised 3 colors for the device, including timber black, shiny gold, and a green colored design. What I have here in the studio is the timber black and the shiny gold colored design. The Smart 8 is powered by a Unisoc T606 processor, runs on Android 13 Go edition, is driven by a 5000 mAh battery, and is designed with a 13 megapixel primary camera. One of the most talked about aspects of the phone is the magic ring, also known as the dynamic bar. I will talk more on this much later, but first, let's take a closer look at what the Smart 8 is made up of. Let's start with the packaging box. Admittedly, it is unpleasant. When you open the box, you find the phone right on top, and everything else is packed haphazardly inside the box. There is a 10-watt charger, a Type-C cable, an earpiece, a SIM eject pin, and a protective case. While I'm worried about the packaging, it is the least of my problems right now. Moving on to the design, it is quite good but presents a challenge. One nice area of the design is the matte finish at the back. Over time, I have come to realize that matte designs doesn't easily deteriorate. The back of the Smart 8 is made with plastic, but unlike older phones where the back design gradually fades, this matte design can stay for a long time and keep shining. The phone features 2 cameras at the back, accompanied by a powerful quad flashlight. It also includes a front-facing flashlight, a side fingerprint scanner, and a Type-C charging port. Additionally, the speaker is located close to the charging port. Infinix claimed that the speaker can produce a volume that is 200% louder. So here is a test. The Smart 8 also has a SIM tray that can support 2 SIM cards and a memory card. However, I noticed that this design is quite similar to other entry-level phones, especially those that were released this year by Tecno, Infinix, and Itel. The lack of uniqueness in this design is not ideal, especially for those who cannot afford the more expensive phones. It feels like the poor masses are trapped with just one type of design. I would love to hear your thoughts on this matter. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I strive to provide unbiased review here, and your support means a lot to me. Moving on to the camera, while it may not outperform the 13 megapixel sensors found in other phones, it does offer a lot of camera modes. Additionally, the camera provides more flexibility in the sense that you can touch any area on the screen while recording a video, and the camera will focus on that specific area. Most phones in this price range only allow you to change focus before starting to record a video, but the Smart 8 allows you to do so while recording. While the video footage captured by the Smart 8 camera may not offer much, it is still impressive considering the price point of the phone. The camera provides up to 4 times zoom and records 1080p at 30 frames per second videos. However, I am a bit disappointed with the picture quality of the camera. The images lack color fine-tuning and everything looks quite raw. The only time you can get a better shot is when you are close to the subject. On the other hand, the front camera is equipped with an 8 megapixel sensor and seems to be doing its job quite well. Although I did not have high expectations for the front camera since the back camera didn't handle footages as expected, the front camera takes sharp and detailed pictures, which might be sufficient for a lot of people. It also records 1080p videos at 30 frames per second, which is perfect for video calls for many users. If you are looking to create content with your mobile phone camera, I cannot recommend this phone. For instance, imagine that you are taking a video of products you want to market. Do you think this camera is worth it? I am currently using a studio light, but not everyone have access to a studio light. If we remove the studio light from the equation, I don't think this camera will produce satisfactory results. Regarding the magic ring or dynamic bar feature of the phone, there isn't much to talk about. All it does is indicate the phone's charging status, indicate face unlock, remind you when the battery is low, and signal a background call. Now, in my opinion, the magic ring or dynamic bar, however it is called, is overhyped. Now, moving on to the display, it features an IPS panel with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. It has a lot of bezels all around the screen, which is not so good. The display brightness is probably 500 nits, which means when under direct sunlight, you may still struggle to see on-screen content. Now, about the performance of the Smart 8, I have to agree that the Itel S23 with similar processor, the Infinix Smart processor, is pretty stable. It doesn't lag or run slow. I expect the Smart 8 to be the same, but no guarantee for heavy gaming. While some people have commented that the Itel S23 can handle a few heavy games without lagging, I can't assure anyone that the Smart 8 will continue to be stable with high-end games installed. If you wish to try and install few heavy games, I wish you good luck. Now, another challenge you might face with the Infinix Smart 8 is the charging capacity. It has a 10 watt charger, which means it might take up to 2 hours to completely charge the phone from 0 to 100%. Let me know what you think about the Infinix Smart 8 in the comment section. Click this video to watch the full review of the Infinix Smart 7 Plus, and just in case you want to buy the Infinix Smart 8, be sure to use the link in the description to get a possible discount. See you in my next video.